road, the train hit the car, and it exploded, and it hit 2 other cars.
Hey, Sarge.
Alrighty, no problem. And if you could state your first and last name, please?
My name
and spell it, please.
Alexis Vega.
Can you spell it, please?
Alexsvega.
And what did you see happen here tonight in Oxnard?
What had happened was there was a car in front of the train tracks, and a train had came and hit the back of the car, and the car just like totally just like hit, and all the debris and all the car parts hit my car. And then I got off and I ran, and I just saw a man dead in his car, just with no signal, no post, no nothing.
So one fatality?
Just he's dead. That's
okay.
Instantly killed.
And do you know about what time this happened?
I would have to say around 9 o'clock. Exactly 9 o'clock that happened.
Just a second, please. Hello? Hey, Lori. About the train in the car? I just got on scene. So, and then, hold on. So, what you just told me about the car, can you tell me?
Yeah. The car was in front of the train post, and the train had hit the end of the car.
So probably already in the process. Probably already in the process of turning.
Yeah, it was already in the process of turning, and just the whole car just got hit, and it just spun. Just only the back, only not the front.
Alrighty. So you said you were in part of the accident, or?
Well, I was in the car, and all the car that got hit, all of their car parts had hit my car.
Okay.
So everything just hit my car. It was
so just all the debris?
All the debris just hit my car.
Went flying?
Yeah, it was just shooken up, and big old loud booms, like an explosion happened. And I just got off the car and went to go see if there's anyone in there. And there was just a man who just died instantly. That's about it.
And nobody else in the car with him?
No, just one person only.
Alrighty, thank you. Can you state your first and last name, please, and spell it? Can you spell it, please?
Valentino.
And you were a passenger or driver in the car?
Passenger.
In the silver car?
Yeah.
And Camry. What did you see happen tonight here in Oxnard?
A big explosion. And just the impact debris coming towards me.
And so you had debris hit your car, correct?
Yes, debris hit our car, side of the car, the driver's side.
And do you know if the crossing gate signal lights and everything were working at that time?
Everything was down, just the train was passing, and before it passed the intersection where the cars crossed, we just heard a big impact.
So the lights were working on the gates, the signals, everything was working?
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
say your first and last name is spelled, please?
Yes, Brian, B-R-I-A-N. Woolley is W-O-O-L-L-E-Y.
In Oxnard PD.
Oxnard Police Department, I'm a police sergeant.
And what did we have happen here in Oxnard tonight on Rose and 5th?
Yes, tonight at about 8:45, the Oxnard Police Department received a call of a train versus vehicle collision. When officers arrived on scene, they found that a train had collided with a vehicle. Preliminary information is that the train was traveling westbound on the tracks and the vehicle was traveling southbound on Rose Avenue. The tracks run along 5th Street. A collision occurred, and unfortunately a male who was in the vehicle died as a result of the collision, and investigation is occurring behind me as we speak, and so we're still on scene investigating.
And what kind of train was it? An Amtrak train?
Yes, it's an Amtrak train, and the information I have is that there were about 192 passengers on the train at the time of the collision.
Any injuries to passengers or anything?
No injuries that I've heard of, and not that I can say at this time.
And have they been transported already?
I believe Amtrak is working on offloading the passengers to deliver them to the nearby train station.
And how long do you think you guys might be out here tonight doing the investigation?
It'll be several hours. I don't have that information, but it'll be several hours while we investigate.
Alrighty. And do you know at the time of the accident if the gates were working and everything properly?
The information I have is that the railroad arm was down. Those are from witness statements on scene, and I have no further information about that.
And as far as the two vehicles here in the intersection, any injury?
Sorry, excuse me?
As far as the two vehicles in the intersection, as here next to us?
What the information I have is that they were both witness vehicles and that they were present at the time of the collision.
So damage to the cars from the debris, correct?
There was one vehicle that had slight damage from flying debris.
Okay, but no injuries to either parties in the car?
No, no injuries.